Hello, good morning to everyone. I hope you are having a great morning. I was totally missing the market yesterday, but had an amazing time driving the Acura NSX against the McLaren 570S and the Porsche 911 uh, on the track. First day ever on a track. I actually learned how to drive stick on a 911, but that was many years ago. But totally awesome car. Acura NSX rocks as far as maneuverability, as far as the way that it sticks to the road, the instant power with the dual engines. But let's get to the point of the market today. Okay, so one of the top stocks that I am watching today is GWPH. I have it here on the 5-minute chart. We'll go ahead and put on the 45-minute chart. So you can see they had earnings yesterday. This is in the cannabis sector as far as a pharmaceutical that does use the CBD oil. They started many years ago. I remember researching the company back in 2013, 2014, as I was looking at this company thinking, man, this is amazing technology. They're going to be using this to go ahead, and they're really in the forefront of combining the CBD oils and pharmaceuticals together. And obviously the market liked the earnings. Had an update yesterday. It was on my watch list. If you guys don't check it out, go to cjanetrade.com. Really affordable to get 10 volatile stocks for the day. So if you got into this yesterday and held it overnight after earnings, you would be up 20 bucks from open yesterday. My entry was right here when it broke this this candle of 175.50, and look at that, up $20 overall, right? So for today, the levels that I'm watching for resistance will be 198.83, and for support 190.57. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and put it in the chat. I am willing to answer and look at some other stocks as well. And I also wanted to remind you guys that Trade Ideas, if you have not checked out their software, check it out this week. $8.99, which is basically the data fees to go ahead and get full access to the software. You could even link it to your broker. You could try auto trading with their AI, or just a strategy that you're able to set up, or if you check out the trading room too, they also show you exactly how to use it as well. So definitely check that out. So GWPH, this one has also 61.37% short float volume from yesterday, which is right here. Let's go down a little bit more. So it had 442,000, which leaves 50,000 overnight that was still short. Let me just see how much we have traded today. And this is, I didn't click on the wrong spot. So this is part of Trade Ideas. So I love it. You can see we have traded so far 48,259. So there is still a minimum of roughly 2,000 shares that have not traded yet today that are still short. So this one could squeeze. It does have 30.69 million, so it is lower float. So it could really get a bump up and run up right at open based on shorts being squeezed. On the statistics that there's definitely still 2,000 minimum that are still short from last night, and up $15. That's a big ouch. You know, if that was one person that had 2,000 shares, ouch, that's 30,000 loss that they're waking up to. We can also see like the SPY today has already traded 1.9 million. And I guess you guys can hear me okay. You guys just don't have any questions or anything. I don't see any comments or anything like that. So definitely check this out, and let's go ahead and do a review of the SPY. So for me, I pulled it back. I did review it on Sunday, and I said, hey guys, if we break below this level here, which looked like it was looks like a head and shoulders, right? So we'd had the shoulder here, the head, and then if we broke above it, we potentially continue on up, breaking above 295.33, which was the high of the pre-market this day. But if we do break and we hold below this, then watch out, because we could be breaking down below the averages here, and it could continue. And if you've ever done the ribbony, you'll see that then the averages start to curl down. Last time we had this sort of action was back here, and look, we had 1, 2, 3, 4 days, and then this is the parabolic SAR, these smaller dots. This is the 21 exponential moving average, the darker, the more bold green dots. So we broke below it yesterday, but recovered back up to the averages, the EMA. Now, when we look at it on the 45-minute chart, we are seeing that it is pulling back from that red line that I was saying, hey, that might be the top of the shoulder, right? So right now we're hovering, we had the low pre-market here of 289.94. I have potential targets for the downside of 289.73 and 287.60 if we were to break this 288.72 level here, just the low of yesterday's pre-market. And if it does break out above, I have a resistance of this candle right here of 291.83, potential sell-off targets of 293.35 and 294.91. So I hope you guys have an amazing day. I would love to see you all in person at the Modern Trader Summit right there. So please go ahead and check it out and sign up, because I would love to go over and meet every one of you in person and help you guys. That's what it's all about. The more that we help each other, the better we can all be and the more we can profit. All right, have a great day, guys. Carpe profit, one trade at a time.